Interesting fact, on Congo Brazzaville. The Congo River, one of Africa's longest and most powerful rivers, flows through Congo Brazzaville, providing vital water resources and supporting local communities. The river is a lifeline for transportation, fishing, and agriculture. It is also home to diverse aquatic life, including various fish species and the elusive Congo River dolphin. The country's natural beauty is further enhanced by other water bodies, such as Lake Tele and the Lafini and Likuala Masaka rivers, which offer opportunities for boating, wildlife viewing, and exploring the wetland ecosystems.